Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. And for today's video, we're going to talk about expanding exponents. Before we proceed to our main topic for today, let us talk about first the basic terms in mathematics. And what are those? So we have the variables, numerical coefficient, and the exponents. When we say numerical coefficient, it is a constant multiplier of a variable. So in simpler terms, ito lang po yung number na nasa tabi ng variable. Example dito sa given term na 2x raised to the fifth power, ang numerical coefficient here is 2. Okay, next. So, the variable is any letter that represent an unknown value. So, when we say variable naman, ito yung any letter na ginagamit natin to represent an unknown value in mathematics. So, it could be any letter like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on and so forth. So, the most common variable lang na ginagamit natin sa mathematics is either X or Y. And next, so we have the exponent. So when we say exponent naman, it refers to a number of times a number multiplied to itself. So kapag sinabi natin exponent, dito sa example natin na 2x to the fifth power, yung 5 yung ating exponent. So ang silbi ng exponent po is to tell us how many times a number or variable multiplied to itself. So example, itong x to the fifth power, since 5 yung kanyang exponent, ibig sabihin si x multiply ng 5 beses sa kanyang sarili. So kapag in-expand natin yan, magiging ganito siya. X times X times X times X times X. So ganyan po ang exponential o ang expanded form ng x to the fifth power. Okay. So moving on. So kapag pinagsama-sama natin yung numerical coefficient, variable, and exponent, so magkakaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na term. So itong 2x to the cube power is an example of a term. So itong 2 dito, ang tinatawag nating numerical coefficient. Yung x dito, ang tinatawag nating variable. At itong number na sa upper right corner ng x, ang tinatawag nating exponent. Okay, now let us talk about paano po ba tayo mag-expand ng base using the exponent. So, paano po natin siya in-expand? So, ganito po siya. Example, so we have 3 cubes. So, itong 3 cubes, ibig sabihin niya, 3 beses nating i-multiply si 3 sa kanyang sarili. So, ibig sabihin na expanded form niya ay 3 times 3 times 3. So, which is equal to 27. So, itong 2 to the fifth power naman, since 5 yung kanyang exponent, 5 beses i-multiply si 2 sa sarili. So, ito ay magiging 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, which is equal naman sa 32. So, itong 3 to the fourth power, 4 na beses i-multiply ang 3 sa kanyang sarili. So, kaya magiging 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Which is equal to 81. And then, itong 2 raised to the 6th power naman, 6 na beses i-multiply si 6 sa sarili. So, magiging 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, which is equal naman sa 64. And of course, itong 4 to the 6th power, 6 na beses. So, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 4,096. So, ito po yung expanded form. Pag sinabi natin expanded form, papahabain lang natin itong pinaka-exponential form. At yung pinaka-answer natin dito, yan po ang tinatawag nating value or yung ating standard form. Okay, next, let's have some examples pa. So, we have 7 squared. So, ibig sabihin, si 7, i-multiply lang natin ng 2 beses. So, 7 times 7. So, which is equal to 49. And then, itong 9 cube ay magiging 9 times 9 times 9. So, 3 times kasi 3 yung exponent niya. So, which is equal to 729. And then, itong 6 to the 4th power. So, ilang beses natin i-multiply sa 6? Okay, very good. 4 na beses. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. And ang standard form niya ay 1,296. Kung nagtataka po kayo kung saan ko nakukuha itong mga standard form is ilalagay nyo lang po yung sagot pag minultiply nyo na po itong 4 na 6, itong tatlong 9 na yan, kapag minultiply nyo yan, magiging 729. Itong 4 na 6 na to, magiging 1,296 at itong dalawang 7 ay magiging 49. Next, so we have 4 to the 5th. So, 5 beses na 4. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So, an answer for that is 1,024. And of course, we have 10 cube o tatlong beses i-multiply si 10. So, 10 times 10 times 10. So, which is equal to 1,000. Okay. So, let's have some examples. Meron pa po tayong iba pang examples dito. So, ayan. Ito pong mga nakikita natin dito. Ito po yung tinatawag nating exponential form. So, paano po ang expanded form yan? So, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, ipapadamihin lang natin. At yung value, siya yung pinaka sagot kapag minultiply na natin. So, itong 9 squared, so ibig sabihin, dalawang 9. So, that is 9 times 9. At ang sagot sa 9 times 9 ay 81. So, 3 to the 5th power. So, ibig sabihin, 5 3. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that is equal to 243 pag minultiply nyo na yan. Next, 4 to the 4th power. So, 4 na 4. So, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Yan. So, may 4 na 4 tayo at ang sagot po natin dyan ay 256. Next, so we have 8 cube. So, tatlong beses na i-multiply si 8. 8 times 8 times 8, which is equal to 512. And then, we have 13 squared. So, dalawang beses natin i-multiply si 13. So, which is equal to 169. Okay. Yan. Okay, to make sure that you understand our lesson for today, so let us try to answer the following activity. So, ito pong activity na susunod. So, you may pause the video para masagutan natin ng mas maayos and to have longer time for answering. And then, after a few minutes, we were going to answer it. Okay, let us answer. So, we have 5 cube. So, ang expanded form niyan ay 5. So, 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 125. So, ito, bilangin lang natin kung ilang 3 to. So, dahil 4 na 3 yan, ang exponential form niya ay 3 to the 4th power. At ang sagot sa 3 to the 4th power is 81. So, ito, bilangin ulit natin yung 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang exponential form niya ay 2 to the 5th power. At ang sagot sa 2 to the 5th power ay 32. So, we have 8 cube. So, tatlong 8. 8 times 8 times 8. So, which is equal to 512. 12, and 2 to the 7th power. So, 7 beses natin i-multiply si 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And ang sagot po ah, sa expanded form na yan ay 128. Next, so wala po tayo nakalagay na exponential form. So, gagawin natin exponential form. Ito ang ating expanded form. So, tatlong 4 yan. Kaya magiging 4 cube. And ang sagot sa 4 cube ay 64. Okay. So, I hope na sagutan natin ng tama ang activity na to. At nakakuha po tayo ng mataas na score. Okay. So, that's all for today. Sana po ay meron po tayong natutunan para sa araw na ito. Kung meron po tayong mga topic na nais may discuss sa mga susunod na video, please comment down below. Muli, this is AJTV kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!